In this video, I'll be going over how to find area of a circle. The formula for area of a circle is pi r squared. Here are 4 examples below. The first example, the red circle, we have a radius of 5 feet. So to find out the area of the circle, we will plug into the formula. So formula is A equals pi r, which is 5 squared. So 5 squared is 25 and pi. Pi is normally written as 3.14. So we're gonna use that in this case and simply plug into pi. So 25 times 3.14. And the answer, after you punch into the calculator, is 78.5 feet square. Now let's try the orange circle. Orange circle has a radius of 7 feet. And using the same formula, we're going to plug in 7 and with a square on top. Then we have 7 squared equals 49 pi. Plug it in. 49 pi as 3.14. Enter in the calculator and you will find that the answer is 153.86 feet square. Now moving on to the blue circle. In blue circle's case, we have a diameter of 12 feet. So that is the distance across the entire circle. Now our formula is pi r squared, so that means we need to first figure out what the radius is. And the radius is half of the diameter. So we would first take 12 divided by 2 and we get 6. So we know the radius is 6 feet. So r equals 6 feet. Now that we have the radius, we will simply plug into the formula. Pi r is 6 and then square. So 6 squared is 36 pi. Then we'll plug in 3.14 as pi and input into the calculator and we will get 113.04 feet square. Now for the final example, we also have a diameter of 20 feet. So just like the previous example, we're going to need to find the radius, which is half of the diameter. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So we have the radius is 10 feet. And plug into the formula, pi and then 10, then square. So we will have 100 pi. Plug in 3.14. And our answer is 314 feet square. So these 4 are examples of how you would find area of a circle. We also have other area tutorials where you can find in the comment section of this video. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.